Hi everyone, my name is Rachel and I'm a global product lead on Google App Campaigns. In this video, we'll walk you through a real example of how to design your SKAdNetwork, also known as SKAN, conversion value schema for Google Ads. But before getting started, we recommend that you first have a fundamental understanding of a SKAN schema. So if you don't already, please check out our other video on configuring your SKAN conversion value schema. So now let's walk through an example approach to designing your schema. The first thing you want to do is determine your SKAN conversion values you want to both measure and optimize for. Based on the funnel approach, which we reviewed in our other video on configuring your SKAN schema, for a food delivery app, we would list out priority in-app events across the user funnel like signups, first searches, add to carts, and most importantly, purchases. It's imperative to consider which of these events in the funnel happen within the constraints of the SKAN version 3 timers. If a SKAN event does not typically occur within a 24 to 48 hour window, you may want to consider configuring other higher funnel events in your schema. In addition to wanting to measure app activity across the user funnel, this food delivery app also wants to optimize towards in-app purchase events or IAPs. Therefore, it will want to ensure that its IAP biddable conversion events are also included in its schema. In the example here, the advertiser defined their conversion values to align with in-app purchase revenue buckets. Walking through their schema design, it would look like this. Find conversion value 1 is a sign up, find conversion value 2 is a first search, find conversion value 30 is a purchase between $0 to $100, find conversion value 31 is a purchase between $101 to $200, and so on. Additional events outside your biddable events can be used for measurement. However, SKAN will only report one conversion value per install, so it's important to prioritize your most important events. While our previous example focused on a business optimizing for in-app purchases, the concept of conversion values extends to other conversion events and monetization models as well. For instance, gaming apps often generate revenue from in-app advertising or a combination of ads and app purchases. In these cases, you can leverage conversion values to measure key in-game events like reaching certain levels, completing tutorials, or unlocking specific achievements, and to also measure different tiers of ad revenue. This also allows you to optimize campaigns towards users who are most likely to engage deeply with your game and generate higher revenue, ultimately maximizing your overall return on ad spend. Regardless of your optimization strategy, don't forget that it's critical to include your campaign's biddable events in your schema. So now, let's recap. Your schema design will be highly specific to your business's goals and objectives and is completely flexible on which in-app events, revenue ranges, and activity windows you decide to include. Thanks for joining, and be sure to check out our other videos to learn more fundamentals about your SKAN schema and how to evaluate your SKAN reports in Google Ads. You can also find more resources in the description below.